In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 10. We'll walk through the entire process using Microsoft Edge, the browser that comes pre-installed on Windows 10, so you can get Chrome up and running quickly and safely. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. At the very top of the window, click into the address bar, the space where website links go, and type google.com/Chrome. Then press Enter. This takes you straight to Google's official Chrome download page, which is the safest place to get the browser. Going directly to the source helps you avoid misleading ads or third-party download sites. On the Chrome page, look for the blue Download Chrome button and click it. A small prompt will appear asking you to accept Google's terms. Click Accept and Install to continue. As soon as you do, Edge will begin downloading a small setup file in the top right corner of the browser. This is a lightweight stub installer. It's designed to quickly start the process, then fetch the rest of the files in the background. When the download finishes, click Open File. Windows may show a security or permission prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal for trusted installers. Click Yes. From here, Chrome's installer takes over. You don't need to adjust any advanced options. Just make sure your internet connection stays active and let it run. You'll see progress as it downloads the full browser and installs it automatically. Once the installation completes, Chrome will open on its own. You're now looking at a fresh Chrome window, ready to browse. To keep it within easy reach, go to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen, right-click the Chrome icon, and select Pin to Taskbar. Pinning keeps the icon in place so you can launch Chrome with a single click, even after you close it or restart your PC. That's it. Installed and pinned in just a few moments. From here, you can start navigating to your favorite sites, and you'll likely notice fast page loads and a clean interface. If you ever need Microsoft Edge for something, it's still there, but Chrome is now ready whenever you are. Thanks for following along. You've successfully installed Google Chrome on Windows 10 using Microsoft Edge, kept everything secure by downloading from the official site, and pinned it for quick access. Enjoy your faster, cleaner browsing experience. You're officially a Chrome user.